Hello guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory. My name is Iris and I work as the hair expert of K Hair. First, let's take a look at the virgin hair. This hair is collected from one single donor and can be effectively bleached into lighter shade of blonde such as 613 and even 60. Here we are at the chemical section of K Hair Factory. Now let's see the bleaching process of virgin one donor hair. First, we must prepare the bleaching solution. Before the hair is gathered at the chemical section, it has been sewn into a piece of cloth to prevent tangling while bleaching. The first step in the bleaching process is, of course, to wash the hair. As the hair has never been chemically processed, we have to wash them to remove any dirt or impurities. And now we will mix the bleaching solution at the appropriate ratio. The way to bleach will depend on each person's skills. There are two ways to bleach hair: powder bleach and liquid bleach. The way we're doing it in the video is called liquid bleaching. We wait until the bleaching solution is ready, then we will immerse the hair into the solution, ensuring that each strand is evenly penetrated. As you may notice in the video, there is some bubbling action going on. This bubbling phenomenon results from the chemical reaction between the components in the bleaching solution, the mixing process, and exposure to air, along with other factors related to the condition of the hair and environmental conditions. This is normal and does not harm the bleaching process if done correctly. When you bleach your hair at home, it is crucial to equip yourself properly to ensure safety and to achieve the best results. First, you want to wear gloves to protect your hands from the harsh chemical in the bleaching solution. Then, you want to wear masks to avoid inhaling irritating chemicals or strong fumes from the bleaching solution. To be more careful, you can also wear apron to seal your clothes and skins from the bleaching solution, and also safety goggles to protect your eyes. 30 minutes in, and we can clearly see the change in hair color from its original black to light brown.
One eternity later.
3 hours and 2 bleaching sessions have passed, and here we are with the results. As you can see, this bundle is now color 60 and still retains its original softness. If you want this color to be lighter, you can use purple shampoo. And remember to use hair conditioner to make it softer. This is the end of our video. I hope you have learned a lot from watching it. See you next time. Bye!